Imagine whipping up crispy, golden wings or perfectly roasted veggies in minutes, all while using 95% less oil. Sounds like a dream, right? This Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 quart ClearCook Air Fryer turns that dream into reality, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to revolutionize your cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a foodie craving healthier gourmet meals, this air fryer is about to become your kitchen's MVP. Let's dive into why this 6-in-1 powerhouse is trending and how it can transform your culinary game. Kitchen goals. Why the Instant Pot Vortex Plus stands out. The Instant Pot brand is synonymous with innovation, and the Vortex Plus 6-quart Clearcook Air Fryer lives up to that legacy. Unlike traditional air fryers, this model combines sleek aesthetics with practical features like the ClearCook window and EvenCrisp technology. No more guessing games or soggy fries. This fryer delivers crispy, tender results every time. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families, small gatherings, or meal prepping for the week. Plus, its versatility and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify cooking without sacrificing flavor. Here's why this air fryer is generating buzz. ClearCook window and internal light. Peek at your food's progress without opening the basket, keeping heat and crispiness locked in. 6-in-1 versatility. Air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one compact appliance. EvenCrisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish with minimal oil, making healthier meals a breeze. One-touch smart programs. Preset options for wings, roasted veggies, cookies, and more take the guesswork out of cooking. Fast preheating. Go from frozen to fabulous in minutes with a temperature range of 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, and tray make post-cooking cleanup effortless. Solving your cooking struggles. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Between juggling busy schedules and trying to eat healthier, it's easy to fall back on takeout or prepackaged meals. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus tackles these pain points head-on. Its fast preheating means you're not waiting around for your appliance to catch up with your hunger. The progress bar and smart notifications guide you through the cooking process, so you're never left wondering when to flip your food. And with quiet cooking, you can enjoy a peaceful kitchen. No loud humming to disrupt your vibe. For health-conscious cooks, the ability to achieve crispy textures with 95% less oil is a game changer. Craving fried chicken or cinnamon buns? You can indulge guilt-free. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for preparing meals for 4 to 6 people, making it a go-to for family dinners or game night snacks. Plus, the free Instant Pot app offers a treasure trove of recipes, from garlicky potatoes to gourmet desserts, ensuring you'll never run out of inspiration. Healthy eating. Who's this air fryer? 4. The Vortex Plus is designed for anyone who loves delicious food but doesn't have hours to spend in the kitchen. It's perfect for busy professionals. Whip up quick, healthy meals after a long workday. Families. Feed 4 to 6 people with ease, from kid-friendly wings to roasted sides. Health enthusiasts. Enjoy crispy textures without the oil overload. Home chefs. Experiment with baking, dehydrating, and more to elevate your culinary skills. Real benefits that make a difference. Let's break down the top reasons why the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is worth every penny. Time-saving convenience. Fast preheating and one-touch programs mean gourmet meals in minutes, not hours. Healthier cooking. Made simple. EvenCrisp technology delivers fried food flavors with a fraction of the oil, so you can enjoy guilt-free indulgence. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick surfaces and dishwasher-safe parts make post-meal cleanup a breeze, giving you more time to relax. Why it's trending in 2025. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is making waves on social media, and for good reason. Its blend of innovation, versatility, and user-friendly features aligns perfectly with today's demand for smarter, healthier cooking solutions. Why you should buy now. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 quart ClearCook Air Fryer isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It empowers you to cook faster, eat healthier, and spend less time cleaning, all while delivering restaurant-quality results. Whether you're air frying wings for game night or baking cookies for a cozy evening, this air fryer delivers every time. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your kitchen game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.